Hi, boys and girls. We're going to talk about your Star Wars task today. We've received this message from Luke Skywalker. Darth Vader has sent distractions to your house. He has made it so that you will choose the dark side. But Luke Skywalker knows his evil ways and is wanting to warn you all about what Darth Vader is up to so you can choose the light side. Here are some of the distractions he sent to your house. One of the distractions you'll have is you will have all of your technology that you normally do still at your house. So choosing to play on your iPad or playing on your mom's phone or watching a video on YouTube is a dark side choice when you're supposed to be doing your schoolwork. Now, eating and drinking is perfectly fine. However, a dark side choice would be eating snacks all day long just so you didn't have to do your work. That would definitely not be a light side choice. It's also important that you get enough sleep. So staying up super late is not a light side choice. You'll still need plenty of rest so you can do all of your assignments and be fully aware on our Zoom calls. Luke Skywalker hopes that you choose the light side. You know that you have distractions around your house that Darth Vader has set up. Don't let him pull you to the dark side. How can you avoid these time robbers? You could put away all of the other technology that you have around your house and focus on the one technology that you're using for your schoolwork. To avoid this time robber, you could get a drink before we start and wait for breaks for your snacks. Make sure that you're getting a good night's sleep, and then you'll never have to worry about being tired on our calls or not having enough energy to do your activity list. But there's more. Oh, Luke wants you to know that you have this symbol on your activity list that reminds you to set your timer so you can stay on track with your work. Remember, this icon means that you have 15 minutes to do this assignment. Do not let these time robbers distract you from your activity list. Follow what's on there. Make sure you're listening to the directions, and Luke thinks you'll be just fine. Our next warning says you need to pay attention or a time robber will steal your focus. That's right. If you have another game up on your iPad while you're trying to listen on our Zoom call, well, that means you're not paying attention and is definitely a dark side choice. Maybe you have a sibling who just wants to come in and play whenever you're working on your assignments. That is definitely a dark side choice. You can tell them that it's time for you to work and ask them to leave or get a grown-up to help you. The last way that you could be taken to the dark side is by waiting too long to figure out what choice you want to make when you have choices on your activity list. If it takes you a long time to pick between your two choices, just pick the first one or have a grown-up help you with which one is best for you. I hope that now that you know all about these dark side choices, you'll choose the light side.